I'm Carmela's Kitchen 54. I'm going to show you how to make a hummus, not from chickpeas, from red lentil. Some people, the chickpeas bother their stomach and they don't feel good, but with the lentil, it tastes good like a chickpeas hummus, and it's easy to make it. I'm going to show you how to do it. Are you ready? Good. Okay, we're going to measure 1 cup of lentil, red lentil. You can find it everywhere. Red lentil. Every store that sell it. I'm going to do 1 cup. You can do more. 1 cup. I like to rinse it up. Okay, and cook it with water. "12 to 15 minutes. Put water to cover. A little more. Cover enough. And boil it until it gets soft. Cover 12 to 15 minutes and it's going to be ready, and I'll show you the rest. After we cooked 12 minutes, you do it on high medium. You put on a strainer. Don't rinse it up. Let all the water go down. Just keep it like this. The water go down. And cool off, and then we're going to ground it in the food processor. So we're going to let it cool off. After about 10 minutes, it cool off, and then you put in a food processor. I like to put the garlic, so 1 clove of garlic. You can use more than 1 if you like. It's a small clove of garlic, so I'm going to put 2. I like to rinse it up. Okay. Paste tahini. Any tahini paste. I'm going to put 2 tablespoons tahini. I think it's enough. I like to put a little bit of cumin. Like a half teaspoon. Lemon juice. Half it's enough. Don't put water. A little salt. 1 teaspoon salt. I like to put a teeny bit, like a teaspoon of olive oil. That's enough. And ground it. Not on a blender, it won't work because it's not wet enough. Grind it good enough. Stop for a second, taste. If you need more salt, lemon juice, garlic, perfect. That's very good. I'm gonna grind it more, a little more. It looks good. Take it out. Little serving plate. The rest put in a refrigerator container. I like to drizzle a little bit of olive oil. You can use a little paprika. Oh, I like to put. It's called za'atar. You don't have to if you don't have. It's okay. Here's the hummus, and it tastes so good. We're gonna try it with the pita. This is a pita that I make, like a very simple pita. And it's yummy. That's very good. Like a chickpeas hummus, but this is from lentil. I love it. You can use it as a dip for vegetables. Very good. Good luck to you, and we'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.